In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 1, exercise 8.2, quadrilaterals. Observe this question. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQRS are midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. ABCD is what? ABCD is a quadrilateral. PQRS are midpoints of side AB. P is the midpoint of side AB, Q is the midpoint of side BC, R is the midpoint of side CD and S is the midpoint of side DA. Clear? So in the question we are having PQRS are midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. So we can say P is the midpoint of AB, so AP equal to BP. Q is the midpoint of BC, so BQ equal to CQ. Clear? Similarly, R is the midpoint of CD, so CR equal to DR. S is the midpoint of AD, so AS equal to what? DS. Clear? AC is the diagonal. Now AC is diagonal. So that we want to show SR is parallel of AC. SR is parallel of AC. So how we will show this one? Observe first one. In triangle ADC, we want to show SR is parallel of AC. So we are taking a triangle what? ADC. In triangle ADC, we have what we are having? S is midpoint. S is midpoint. S is midpoint of AD and R is midpoint of CD. In triangle ADC, S is the midpoint of AD, R is the midpoint of CD. Two sides midpoints we are having, and midpoints joining line segment is parallel of third side AC, and this one is what? Midpoint theorem. From midpoint theorem, what we can say? SR is parallel of S and R is what? Midpoints of two sides of a triangle, and this line segment is parallel of AC. This one is what? Midpoint theorem. So from midpoint theorem, SR is parallel of AC, and putting this one as equation number 1, and SR equal to what? Half of AC. Why we are writing these things? Because S and R are what? Midpoints of AD and CD sides. Clear? So they are midpoints, so we will apply midpoint theorem, or as per midpoint theorem, once midpoint joining line segment is parallel of third side, and midpoints joining line segment is what? Half of the third side. This is what? Midpoint theorem. So from the midpoint theorems, midpoints we are having of a triangle ADC, S and R what? Midpoints. So midpoints we are having, it means we will apply midpoint theorem. So by using midpoint theorem we can write these things. Clear? Now next one, in the second one we want PQ equal to SR. PQ equal to SR we want to prove. So for PQ, P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC. So in triangle ABC, P is midpoint of AB, and Q is midpoint of BC. Q is midpoint of BC. So from midpoint theorem, once we apply midpoint theorem for this triangle ABC, P and Q are what? Midpoints of side AB and BC. So line segment PQ will be what? Parallel of AC. Putting this one as equation number 3, and line segment PQ will be half of AC, and putting this one as equation number 4. From equation 2 and 4, observe these two equations. SR equal to half of AC and PQ equal to half of AC. So from this one we can say PQ equal to SR. In these two equations, right hand side is what? Right hand side is equal, so left hand side will be equal. So we can say PQ equal to SR, and put this one as equation number 5. And this thing we want to prove in a question number 2 on PQ equal to SR. Yes or no? We proved. Now third one, we want to show PQRS is a parallelogram. So from equation 1 and 3, observe these two equations. SR is parallel of AC and PQ is parallel of AC. So SR is parallel of AC and PQ is parallel of AC. So we can say PQ is parallel of SR. From these two equations, SR is parallel, this one is parallel of this one is parallel of this one. So automatically we can say this PQ will be parallel of SR. So what we can say? PQ from equation 1 and 3, PQ is parallel of SR. Clear? PQ is parallel of SR. Another thing, from equation 5, from equation 1 and 3, PQ is parallel of SR and PQ equal to SR. This one we are writing from equation 3, not equation 3, from equation 5. In equation 5 we proved this thing. From equation 5 we can say PQ equal to SR. So once we observe equation 1 and equation 3, SR is parallel of AC and PQ is parallel of AC, so PQ will be parallel of SR, and we proved that PQ equal to SR in equation number 5. So we can say one pair of a quadrilateral is equal in size and parallel, then we can say that one is what? Parallelogram. So opposite sides, PQ equal to SR. PQ is the opposite side of SR. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. So PQRS is a parallelogram. Hence proved. We proved this thing. PQ is equal to SR and PQ is parallel of SR. So we can say opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this PQRS is what? Parallelogram. Hence proved this thing we want to prove. Clear? Simple question. Observe again. We are having ABCD is what? Quadrilateral, in which PQRS are midpoints of side AB, BC, CD and DA. Clear? So we want to prove that SR is parallel of AC. So we are taking this triangle, and from the midpoint theorem we can say SR. S and R are what? Midpoints of AD and CD. So SR is parallel of AC, they are midpoint. So from midpoint theorem we can say this side is parallel of this one and this side is a half of this one. Clear? We are putting equation 1 and 2. Now in the second one we want PQ equal to SR. This side PQ is equal to this one, so we are taking this triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of BC, and line segment PQ will be what? Joining these points, then we are getting this line segment PQ will be what? Parallel of AC. Why? Because this one is what? Midpoint theorem. So PQ is parallel of AC and PQ is the half of AC, or we are writing as equation number 3 and 4. Once we compare equation second and third, then we are getting PQ equal to SR. This one we want to prove in a question number second one. Now we want to show PQRS is a parallelogram. So how we are showing? From equation 1 and 3, once we observe, then we are getting PQ is parallel of SR. SR is parallel of AC and PQ is parallel of SR. So automatically we can say PQ is parallel of SR. Clear? And in equation number 5 we proved that PQ equal to SR. So opposite sides are equal and parallel, then we can say this PQRS is what? Parallelogram, and this thing we want to prove in a question number 3. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.